Today I'm going to show you a technique by which you can get the ads of your competitors instantly. So whatever sector or industry you are, you just have to look for the competitors, and we can instantly know what kind of marketing activities they are doing, and we can do the competitive analysis. So let's jump in. I will be doing it with three tools. So we will go to Google Gemini first, and I have created a prompt, something like that: give me top names of telecom companies. For the sake of this video, I have taken telecom as an example in Bahrain with their URLs in table format. So what Gemini did is, Gemini gave me the three top ones with their URLs. So what I'll do is, I will take these URLs and I will try to search them in Google Ads Transparency Center. So Google Ads Transparency Center is a public domain in which you can see ads of all the companies who are running it. So it is according to the international laws that ads are public. So let me go and paste this URL, but I'll go in Transparency Center. Let me see what happens. Okay, buttelco.com. Okay, so it instantly shows me what are the ads which are running out here. Okay, so we can get an idea that okay, what exactly they are promoting right now. The same goes for STC. It's better for you to take the URL directly and paste it in the center. It makes the life easier. Now it's showing you all the ads of STC. So whenever you have these kind of tools, you can easily see what kind of promotions these brands are running, and if you can counter them, or if you want to supplement them, complement them. There are many strategies of marketing when you have a product or service. I will try with the last one also, the same one. Copy link address, and then you can go and paste it. It will give you Zain.com. Let's see. Okay, so it will show you, because we have selected the country as Bahrain, it will show you all the ads which are running in Bahrain. So yeah, this kind of information is rather amazing. If you have it in front of your eyes, you can strategize as per your competitor what should be your strategy. Now the same thing can be done on the social media also. This is showing you the search ads mostly because it's Google. But if we go to the social media ads, which is Meta has also given you an ad library. Now the same thing can be done over here. Let's go select all ads in Bahrain, and let's copy this. Let's see what happens. Okay, if it is not able to find by the URL, because Meta is not able to find by the URL, you have to give the page name. So what I'll do is, I'll just type Buttelco. Okay, so here we have Buttelco's main page, and when I'll click, I'll see all the ads which are running in Bahrain, which Buttelco is running. And I can make an Excel sheet, or I can copy them, I can paste it and then create my strategy. So obviously you have everything in front of your eyes, and yeah, it's a lot easier for you to make your marketing strategy. Now the same I can do for Zain Bahrain. See, Zain Bahrain also. Okay, so all the offers which they are running is in front of my eyes. And the same way you can research on any kind of industry, any kind of category, and you will get to know what they are running. Let's try for STC Bahrain. Okay, the same thing happens for STC also. So we can basically go and see these ads on your Facebook timeline also. I won't be clicking and going on the Facebook part, but yeah, from here you have the complete idea, and you can get a complete picture of what exactly these brands are doing. So yeah, it will make your competitive analysis and your strategy part easier. So if you like the video, just subscribe to the channel, because I am going to create a series on competitive analysis with free tools, which will be beneficial for even a very small business also. So if you will subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, then obviously you will get the notifications also. So that's it. That were my 2 cents. And thank you. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.